over 2.7 billion people in the world, mostly in the developing countries, still don't have internet access. This means that over half of the world's population is missing out on the life-changing benefits of connectivity, from financial services to health and education. India is a diverse country, having different cultures, geographies, languages. In the rural expanses, where over 70% population resides, a lack of reliable internet connection stands as a barrier to progress. In the vast tapestry of India, where digital landscapes are woven unevenly, emerges a story of innovation, connectivity, and empowerment. Despite being home to the highest number of Facebook users globally, the digital divide in India is stark. In rural India, where 70% of the population resides, the reach of the internet is alarmingly low. The pandemic has widened this gap, deepening societal and economic inequalities.
Now, we started Jadeite Solutions in 2017 along with my co-founder Ritu Srivastava. One of the things that emerged during COVID-19, my colleague Ritu Srivastava did a research study with CR stations, and a very interesting thing emerged was the role they played in connecting with the people who were impacted with this pandemic. So the radio stations actually play a very critical role when it comes to connecting to the masses and, let's say, impacting people at the ground level. However, what we also realized was that the CR stations don't have a reliable or cost-effective internet, so that limits their ability to upload content. Also, the model that they follow is not very financially sustainable. CR Bolo is a very unique concept in the sense it is a network owned, managed and operated by the community. We ran the pilot project at Radio Bulbul with the support from the Internet Society and IEEE.
Community radios in India have been providing the last mile access to information services in rural regions. Despite having a stronghold with community members, these stations face the following challenges. 1. Unreliable internet connectivity. 2. Lack of economic sustainability. In response to these challenges, Jadeite Solutions Private Limited, a social enterprise, is working in areas of community radio stations, initiated CR Bolo project, the first community network at Radio Bulbul, aiming to provide an alternative last-mile connectivity solution, leveraging existing infrastructure available at the radio station.
We are running community radio station in Bhadrak in Odisha, and actually the community radio across India is 400 plus. So what we thought that the radio is the medium where we can reach the larger part of our country to give the information about all, means holistic, either it may be education, it may be the schemes, agriculture. So during the COVID time, me and one of the organization which is running also radio in Konark, Young India, we have decided if it can be possible without internet, how we can get the content from the community during the COVID, because during the COVID, we are just lacking the problem. We can't upload the content, we can't come to the studio physically.
Radio Bulbul 91.2.
CR Bolo, an initiative that transcends the boundaries of traditional communication, transforming rural landscapes into hubs of digital inclusivity.
दिल से दिल तक रे मुसना आपण मानको स्वागत जणाउछि.
Utilizing the height of the CR tower, a wireless mesh network was established within a 5 to 7 kilometer radius of Radio Bulbul, located at Bhadrak town of Odisha.
सिंपल लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क का यूज़ किया हुआ है जिसपे हम लोगों ने रेडियो बुलबुल को कनेक्ट किया है एक दिशा स्कूल से और एक सोसाइटी फॉर वीकर कम्युनिटी से। रेडियो बुलबुल के टावर में एक लॉन्ग रेंज आउटडोर राउटर लगाया है जो क्या करता है कि रेडियो बुलबुल से सिग्नल को फेंकता है और हमारे एंड पॉइंट पर, यानी कि जैसे अभी हम लोग सोसाइटी फॉर वीकर कम्युनिटी में हैं, जो कि उस सिग्नल को रिसीव करता है।
The project strategically utilizes the technical infrastructure, human resources available in Radio Bulbul, unlicensed spectrum and low-cost media to share content locally, creating hypermedia archive architecture.
शेयर बोलो में हम बिना नेट से कंटेंट ले भी सकते हैं और शेयर भी कर सकते हैं।
हमारे जो फोटो भेजते थे ये नेट खर्चा होता था, अभी बिना नेट से फोटो वीडियो भेज सकती ना रेडियो बुलबुल को।
शेयर बोलो रहा जो मैंने विदाउट इंटरनेट से मैंने कंटेंट केमतिया शेयर करि परिबा। आउ तृतीय रहा कि रेडियो ब्रॉडकास्ट हम जो रेडियो ब्रॉडकास्ट जो मैंने शुणुन श्रोता मैंने जो मैंने आमको जो कंटेंट दौरान जो रेडियो बाजू जो शुणुंट से निज बहुत खुशी फिल कर।
In the second phase, an IVR system was established, allowing Radio Bulbul to reach a wider audience and receive valuable feedback from the community. The initiative covered a radius of 3 to 4 kilometers, connecting 500 households.
आईवीआर एक एमती एक प्रोग्राम आछि जोटा कि बहुत बेनिफिट्स मिलछि आम रेडियो स्टेशन को तथा लोक मानक आंचलिक लोक मानक जेमिति कि आईवीआर माध्यम रे बिना पैसा रे फ्री रे इंटरनेट रे आपण हमको कॉल करि पारछंती। कॉल करिया माध्यम रे हमको किछि कंटेंट शेयर होछि। कंटेंट शेयर हैला बेले आमे ताकू चेक करूछु ता वैल्यूएबल आमे जानि पाइला पर आमे ताकू ब्रॉडकास्ट करछु और आमे एथरे जानि पारछु कि लोक मानक को जिंस बेसी पसंद होछि एवं कोथिरे आमे ब्रॉडकास्ट कले हमको अधिक लोक सुनिबे।
मैं दिशा इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ। मुझे जब कुछ डाउट होता है आईवीआर नंबर में कॉल करके मेरा डाउट क्लियर करती हूँ।
Supported by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, IEEE, CR Bolo not only connects communities but also creates opportunity by providing affordable, ubiquitous and democratically controlled internet access. Enter the interactive voice response system, a technological marvel that transformed the unconnected into active participants with just a phone call.
जब मैंने सोशल मीडिया पेज पे रेडियो बुलबुल के बारे में मेरे को पता चला, मैं भुवनेश्वर में रह के मुझे रेडियो बुलबुल सुनने का मौका नहीं मिल पा रहा था। तो अब ये आईवीआर के ज़रिए मैं उनके कंटेंट को एक्सेस कर सकती हूँ, मैं उनके कंटेंट को सुन सकती हूँ। अब ये आईवीआर इनिशिएटिव के ज़रिए पूरा दुनिया में जितने लोग हैं वो सारे रेडियो से जुड़ सकते हैं।
Community Radio Bolo became more than just a station. It became a lifeline. CR Bolo, bridging the digital divide. A hope that brings digital inclusivity and community empowerment.